Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Kevin McKay, the school bus driver who went from ordinary driver to hero during the 2018 Camp Fire. After saving 22 children amid devastating fires, many wonder, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Kevin McKay was a relatively new school bus driver in Paradise, California, when the 2018 Camp Fire broke out. He used to work at a Walgreens before switching careers so he could pursue a teaching degree. On November 8, when the fire threatened the town, he responded to an emergency call from Ponderosa Elementary to pick up 22 students whose parents couldn't reach them. McKay drove through chaotic traffic, thick smoke, and active flames to deliver them safely, improvising with his own shirt and teacher help to filter air as smoke filled the bus. His actions were extraordinary. McKay had only been driving buses for a few months, yet in that moment, he took full responsibility for those lives. The path he drove was turned into a film called The Lost Bus, starring Matthew McConaughey as McKay, which revived public interest in what really happened that day. He also reportedly had some creative input in the film's production to help make it authentic. Where is Kevin McKay now? Today, Kevin McKay works as a high school teacher at Fairview High School in Chico, California. He's left behind the bus driver role and is now fulfilling his original goal of working in education. He remains public about the fire event, attends film premieres, and occasionally speaks about the experience. His story has become part of a legacy of courage in the face of disaster. Kevin McKay's journey went from an everyday job to an unforgettable act of heroism. Now he's teaching the next generation in many ways, living out the future he once aspired to. His past bravery no longer defines his only identity. He's both the man who saved children and the educator shaping lives today.